Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today to show you guys a couple of items that I received from Be Kind Jewelry. Now, they reached out to me a couple months ago, asked me to pick out 2 items, so I'll be showing you guys the 2 items that I picked out, and I'll be letting you guys know how much it costs and all of that stuff. And of course, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some points. So make sure you check the description box for all of the information, including the link and my discount code. Check the pinned comment, and of course, towards the end of the video, I will have my code right here on the screen for you. But if you are interested in seeing what I received from Be Kind Jewelry, then keep Alright, so before I get into what Be Kind sent me, I do want to let you guys know a little bit about this company. Now, I do believe they are a small company. I did not hear about this company before they reached out to me, so it's kind of cool that they did reach out to me, and now I know a little bit about them because they really have some cute items. Like, they really have some cute items, and I definitely okay, I want to get some more items because it is super duper cute. Okay, so they have a mission, which is to save and protect our buzzy pollinators around the globe. Wear your lovely Be Kind accessories as a reminder of being a part of the community. Every purchase saves the bees. So I think that is really cute. Now, they have bracelets with notes. They have 925 sterling silver jewelry, bee themed jewelry, a sunflower themed jewelry. They have a couple bundles, the Save Bees collection, all that stuff. Okay, 100% eco-friendly materials, free priority shipping daily. Good stuff. So this is what it came in. As y'all see, the packaging is super cute. Okay, this envelope is just beehive. Then it says Be Kind with the little bee, and then it says, hey, I'm 100% recyclable mailer. So of course, recycle. Then they have their Facebook and their Instagram, which is save.bees.shop, and then their website, www.bekind.shop. So, of course, they had sent me a little note. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it. I kind of glanced at it before when I had got my package, but I really didn't like read it or anything. All right, so they sent me a little stickers. It's so cute. Really cute. All right, so it says, thank you. We would like to reach out and thank you for your order from Be Kind Shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving bees and helping them develop colonies safely. We hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but also remind you about the good cause that you are now a part of. Welcome to the Be Kind family. And then on the back, it just says, you know, if you need to contact them, it lets you know how to contact them and all that stuff. So here are the 2 items that I have. As y'all can see, this little packaging is so cute. So it's in this little box, and it has a little sunflower, and it says especially for you. So I got the spinning sunflower necklace with the matching spinning sunflower ring. So today, that is what I'm going to show you guys. All right, so first is the spinning sunflower necklace. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'll definitely insert a video, a little clip, because I did upload this on my Instagram story when I first got it. But really cute. I am a fan of sunflowers, not as much as my mom, but I love sunflowers. So I definitely had to get this. And it also says that it's handcrafted with the love. So that's cool that these are handcrafted. Now this is gold because I love gold jewelry. But here's the close-up of the spinning sunflower. Ooh, it's bright in here. So the last time I checked the website, the spinning sunflower necklace retailed for $49.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this necklace off. And I'm going to put on the spinning sunflower. So I'll definitely take pictures of it so you guys can see. Here is how it looks. And as y'all can see, I spinned it. I did a little thing so it can spin real cute. So next I have this spinning sunflower ring, which is also handcrafted with love. So this is how it looks. And I think this is adjustable. Yeah. So we're gonna put it on my ring finger. Well, actually, we're gonna put it on my pinky finger. This is really cute. Really, really cute. So here is the spinning sunflower ring. And the last time I checked on the website, the spinning sunflower ring retailed for $39.99. So both of them are affordable in my opinion, at least for something that is online. Because y'all know some jewelry online do be a little expensive. But since it's handcrafted, I think $39, $49 is a reasonable price for this. I'm loving this ring because I could really spin the ring compared to the necklace, but it's super pretty. These are super pretty. I'm definitely absolutely happy with my picks. I'm glad I picked both of these out, but it's so pretty. Promise at the beginning of this video, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So my code is Lindsay M20. All letters are capitalized, LINDSAY M20. So make sure you guys put that in the little, you know, the little bar at checkout where it says promo code, discount code, whatever it might say, to save you 20% off. But that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank Be Kind Shop for reaching out to me and sending me these items. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. Even if I don't, I definitely will be making my own purchase. But you guys, let me know if you have ever heard of Be Kind Shop, and let me know what you guys think about the items that I picked out. I will be leaving a picture in this video at the end so you guys can really look at it and see how it looks. I will also grab a picture from the website if possible. But yeah, y'all let me know down below in the comments if you have ever heard of a Be Kind, and if you have, let me know which items that you got. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.